5 examples of successful machine learning. Certainly. Here are 5 examples of successful applications of machine learning. Image recognition. Machine learning has revolutionized image recognition tasks, such as object detection and classification. Deep learning models trained on vast datasets have achieved impressive results, surpassing human performance in some cases. Applications range from self-driving cars that detect pedestrians and road signs to medical imaging for identifying diseases like cancer. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP enables machines to understand and generate human language. Machine learning techniques, such as recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and transformers, have greatly improved tasks like sentiment analysis, machine translation, and chatbots. Voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant employ NLP to understand and respond to user commands. Fraud detection. Machine learning algorithms have been instrumental in detecting fraudulent activities in various domains, including finance and e-commerce. By analyzing historical data, these algorithms can identify patterns and anomalies that indicate fraudulent behavior, helping prevent financial losses and protect users. Recommender systems. Recommender systems use machine learning to analyze user preferences and provide personalized recommendations. Platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify employ sophisticated recommendation algorithms to suggest movies, products, and music based on user history and behavior. These systems enhance user experience and increase engagement. Autonomous vehicles. Machine learning plays a crucial role in enabling autonomous vehicles to perceive and navigate the environment safely. Deep learning models process sensor data, such as images and lidar scans, to identify objects, predict their behavior, and make informed decisions in real time. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber have made significant advancements in self-driving technology.